The Femme Inter-District Robotics competition has students from the education districts in Lagos competing with one another in commemoration of this year's International Day of the Girl Child.
Femme was founded out of a deep-seated passion to empower African women and girls in the realm of technology. Picking today, which is the International Day of the Girl Child, was actually strategic, because we want to use this opportunity to celebrate the girl child.
The event, which was attended by the Commissioner for Basic Education, Mr. Jamiu Ali Balogun, and other top functionaries of the Lagos State education family, had girls displaying their robotic inventions.
Meant to drag to the outer sea area. So the first thing I think this robot is going to do, because they have different strategies for doing the task. Each team has a different strategy. But what I feel this robot is going to do is it's going to tip this cube. This is like represents fuel. So it's meant to fuel the ship first, then load it with containers, and then try to move the ship to the outer sea area.
The all-girl competition is about empowering young female students to become engineers, computer scientists, and STEM leaders. The students proudly display their self-made robots.
It's a representation of what you actually have if you are building a real-life robot. Let's see if we get the last cable and then we can park. Wow. Okay, this is almost a perfect score.
This is an EV3 Lego Mindstorm building. These are the beams, these are the axles. So it's just a matter of putting everything together and improvising on it. And for the programming, you have to have a laptop and Lego Mindstorm application. So you just have to on it. This is the large motor, the medium motor, the color sensor. There are different motors. So the medium motor is usually used for carrying, but it can also be used for moving. Color sensor is used for lightning, to stop at the color. It's also used for many other things like time indicator.
Ever since I joined Robotics Club, it has been very interesting because I got to learn about programming and coding, and it gave me insight into the world of tech. I am very grateful for the privilege of even being a girl child and being able to be here. I can remember the first day I told my dad I was in Robotics Club and he was surprised. So I'm very grateful to Lagos State for giving me as a girl child this opportunity to be in Robotics Club and make something as beautiful as this.
The commissioner, in his remarks while commending the organizer of the event, emphasized the importance of technology in education.
Definitely, we are very interested in the education of the female child. There is no difference when you talk about the output of and their future potentials. There is no difference. You just have to key into many things, realizing that we are living in the same world and we have responsibility towards making it better as a whole. It's about encouraging them, recharging their batteries, energizing them to push forward, to scale up. This is more or less the era of ICT, whereby we so much value and depend on it for our survival.
Robotics competitions are increasingly popular, motivating students to learn more about programming.
It was not easy for two schools to join each other to program the robot and build it. But thanks to God, we did it and we got second position in the junior school. So the robot is meant to carry the broken cable to the recycle facility. So this is the broken cable to carry it to the recycle facility. Then after that, it will open the solar panel. Then it will open the second solar panel. Then it will carry the white cable and the server object to the Caribbean hub and the Pacific hub. Then after it will pack.
I have gone around, I've seen some of the great things that they have been able to do with the use of those robots. So we're happy, and I'm very hopeful that we are going to get a lot of talents amongst them.
Over the years, we've been training the boys, but this competition, for the first time, they said they needed just girls, and bringing them on the table was kind of very, very tough. And I'm so surprised that within the space of 6 months, the students can code, can build robots on their own. The hard work is paying off, actually. So, and after this competition, it shows that girl child shouldn't be neglected because they know it all. If you give them the opportunity, they will do great.
Thank God for the new developments that we are having now, that a girl child can easily come out to perform some tasks on the robots. And I will encourage them not to relent, that they can do more than their own expectation.
Femme is a non-profit organization established to change the skills landscape in Africa through various initiatives with objectives to help African women acquire digital skills for today's workspaces and tomorrow's needs.